Is it better to repair or replace a garage door opener? This is a common question many homeowners face when their garage door starts acting up. First, let's consider the signs that could point to whether a repair or replacement is the best solution. If your garage door opener is making strange noises, moving erratically, or not responding at all, it's time to take a closer look. In many cases, issues like a worn-out gear or chain, malfunctioning sensors, or a broken motor can be repaired relatively easily and affordably. However, if your opener is more than 10-15 years old, or if the cost of repairs is close to the price of a new unit, replacement may be the better option. The cost of repairing a garage door opener typically ranges from $100 to $300, depending on the issue. Replacing an opener can cost anywhere from $300 to $700 or more, depending on the brand, features, and installation costs. While repairs may seem cheaper in the short term, keep in mind that older openers are more prone to future problems, and you may end up spending more on multiple repairs over time. On the other hand, opting for a new opener can offer long-term benefits. Modern openers come with updated safety features, quieter operation, and better energy efficiency, potentially saving you money in the future. Additionally, a new opener could come with a warranty, which reduces the risk of costly repairs down the line. The lifespan of a garage door opener typically ranges from 10 to 15 years, depending on factors such as usage, maintenance, and the environment. If your opener is nearing the end of its lifespan, it may make more sense to replace it rather than continually repair it. Ultimately, the decision comes down to the age of the opener, the extent of the damage, and your budget. If you're constantly facing issues, it may be worth investing in a new, more reliable opener that will serve you for years to come.